Hey everyone, Dave McKay here again. I gave you an example before where we balanced equations by using fractional coefficients. So that was the example with the hydrogen and the oxygen reacting to form water. After I'd done that, I thought, I don't think I could convince you guys just how important using fractional coefficients could be to balance equations. So I'm going to use another example. So the example I'm giving is the one where aluminium actually burns or oxidizes in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. That's the elemental symbol for aluminium. You simply, because it's a metal, you just simply write it as Al. And of course, it's reacting with oxygen. That's O2. What you end up with is aluminium oxide. Now, the valence of aluminium is 3 and the valence of oxygen is 2. So the formula for aluminium oxide is Al2O3. Okay, now we've got to balance this thing because obviously you can see straight away we have an issue. We've got 2 atoms of oxygen here, but we end up with 3 on this side. We've got 1 atom of one atom of aluminium here. We end up with aluminium on this side, 2 of them. Okay, so how do we do it? Well, to me, the easiest way to do it is to put a 2 in front of the aluminium, so it's now balanced. Now, what do we do here to get the equivalent of 3 oxygens on this side of the equation? Well, there's a 2 there, so all I do is write 3 over 2. Well, 3 over 2 multiplied by 2, the 2's cancel out, you end up with 3. So, that equation's now balanced. Now that was dead easy. If you do it the other way, the first method I showed you, you've got to muck around with the numbers before you can actually get the thing balanced. It's much, much easier doing it this way. Of course, we haven't quite finished yet. We've still got to multiply it through by 2. That's the number in the denominator, so we get rid of it. Alright, so 2 2's are 4, so it becomes 4Al. 3 on 2 times 2 is 3, so it becomes 3O2. And of course there's just a 2 here for the aluminium oxide. Alright, did that work? Well, we've got to check. On this side I've got 4 aluminiums. On this side I've got 2 3's are 6 oxygens, and here I've got 3 2's are 6 oxygens. So again, the equation's balanced.